Great. Thank you very much. Good morning. I'm Ed Chang, CEO, and I'm joined here on stage, Frederick, who's a lead product developer for our project. And thank you very much, Chris, for your kind words. Absolutely. So Strands Personal Finance is a global provider of innovative personal finance management, PFM, solutions to leading financial institutions. We work with people like BBVA. We also launched last year with two of our newest clients, ING in the Netherlands and Bank of Montreal in Canada. Our technology also powers our consumer product site, moneyStrands, which has been a frequent presenter here at Finovate in the past. So Frederick is showing you a quick demo of our Strands PFM, which is a product that's fully deployable to banks today. It really allows banks to engage their consumers and increase customer loyalty, and it actually helps their online banking users manage their money more efficiently. So you have the ability to categorize your spending, you have the ability to set budgets and goals, and you can compare yourselves to the community. But that's our current product. That's fully deployed at ING and Bank of Montreal. We're excited here today to talk about our new product, which is Strands Business Intelligence. So we think there's a lot of innovation in the PFM space. You'll see them previously, today, and it's mostly been centered around consumers. We're focusing on providing value to banks. And I think with Strands Business Intelligence, we're moving toward that end. So right now, banks have a ton of data. They've spent years analyzing that data. And now the part is to make it really actionable. There's difficult challenges for them to gain insight from those data, to take action on that data. And that's where Strands Business Intelligence really comes in. So let's imagine that Frederick is a business intelligence analyst at a bank called Strands Finance. We'll call him Mary. So Mary is, his boss has come to her and said, okay, Mary, our bank has just implemented a new PFM solution, Strands PFM. It's great. Everyone loves it. Several 100,000 users actively using it. But now we want to gain additional insight from it to really prove the ROI and make it worthwhile for the bank. So logging into the Strands BI, this is what Mary will see. So a visualization of all the spending categories in her spending behavior tab. This shows all the spending behavior for the customer base. And it shows in each square sort of the amount and all of the relative spending compared to other categories as well. In this recession that we have, you'll see that the shopping is trending downwards as it's color-coded shading in red. I don't know if you can see that. And then trending upwards, is financial and investments, which is coded in blue. Also, as you might expect, home, which includes rent or mortgage, is one of the largest categories for spending. Now, Mary's boss is interested in the young family target market, and they want to actually then market to them or create new products for them. So Mary can drill down and filter based on criteria such as age, family situation, and even how active they are using the PFM technology. So as the data changes, Mary can continue to drill down and get further and further into that data. Now she's really got actionable insights very quickly that she can give to her marketing department or product development department. Or she can export in a file for her own further analysis. So now Mary wants to look at savings and goals. This is a key piece of PFM because it is new additional data for the bank. People are inputting their budgets, people are inputting their savings goals. So now the size of the bubbles here show sort of the amount of the goal. As you can see on the right-hand side, the retirement, it also shows the length of time to actually achieve that goal. Retirement is one of the furthest ones out there. Also saving for a car, which is on the upper left-hand corner, is one of the more popular ones. The higher the bubble, the more popular that goal is for people. And right now, so basically Mary can take this information and then put it forward to her marketing and product development people to potentially give new products out like a car loan. Now on the budget side, there's very similar visualizations. As you move up, the height of the bubble or how further up on the chart shows how popular that bubble is. So travels, vacation, or restaurants are very popular. And to the right is actually the number of alerts sent. So that actually correlates with probably overspending or potential overspending by people. And again, it's a very visual thing, but like restaurants, potentially then the bank can serve coupons for savings there. And then you can also see that wireless is a big area of overinvestment or overspending. If you talk to my CFO, he'll say the same thing about my own spending in that area. So our last preview is our cash flow tab. And this just shows sort of the income and expenses for Mary's complete customer group. Of course, you can drill down again further if you want. It also shows variable versus fixed spending. So the variable side is areas that you can drive potential cost reduction. The greenish, yellowish line you'll see is sort of the net income and expenses, which very quickly can show how people are spending and trending over time. So I think this is very valuable data. I mean, one of the things about Strands Business Intelligence that I think is also very valuable is the fact that you can look and actually correlate PFM activity with actual user behavior. So Mary, through these different tabs, can actually say, depending on who it is that's actually using the PFM activity, so people who come every quarter, people come once a month, every week, they can actually now say, what is their actual advantage to savings goals? Are they trending better on savings goals? Are they trending better on budgets? And actually make that tangible ROI for the bank. So there's more innovation to come from Strands. I think Chris mentioned, our first client was BBVA. Now we've gone to more clients. We've done a few more pilots since then. So we hope to be working with all of you at some point. And I hope you enjoyed this preview of Strands Business Intelligence. We feel that this product will actually make the linkage for the bank to actually take action on their insights and gain it in a very valuable manner. If you are a leading bank or financial institution that's interested in implementing PFM, please come talk to myself, Frederick, or one of the 5 other individuals we have here from our team today. Thank you very much.